Alright, so good evening, morning, or whatever it is when you're watching this. And I have good news today. And that good news is it's merely a cloudy day, as you can all see. So it's not raining as of yet. They have the springtime auto fair going on right now, so I'm going to the last day of that. And like I said, like a good chunk of it's kind of outdoors vendors and stuff, and with it raining and stuff, I doubt half of them were set up yesterday, or even if they were, I don't really think maybe a ton of people popped up. So either way, yesterday I wasn't feeling like walking around in an off and on rain. Or technically we're here, a bunch of nice little classic cars are passing me by, and all that up here. So I'm just now at a matter of finding parking. Well, parking is there, but getting to parking, I guess I should say, it's a whole other trick. All right, so I'm nice and parked now. I'm good. I kind of scraped together the $5 fee for parking at the last minute because I kind of forgot to stop by the ATM before I got here. And I also just remembered when I was pulling up, I was like, okay, I have a $5. Wait, no, I spent that $5 yesterday on something else. So I was like scraping together the quarters and stuff in my pocket with the $3 that I had left in my wallet. So I got a little bit lucky there because I was in the line already for parking. So yeah, it could have been very disappointing just then. I got really lucky. traction back there. Hell yeah. So Hellcat versus RT, maybe a little bit.
RT's a good car though.
Oh yeah, it's fun. I enjoy it. I ain't complaining at all.
Thanks for coming out today.
Oh, thank y'all for coming out. Highly recommend it. So believe it or not, this thing is actually a car. It is actually a car. And it is extremely, as you would imagine, extremely aerodynamic. Look at that. It's like a little fighter jet. Really, it's pretty awesome. There's like a little video up here about it. But well, that was quite the adventure. I enjoyed myself quite immensely. I didn't film a whole lot. I mean, a lot of this is probably filler footage and all, but I was just kind of caught up in the moments of things and all. But how about that Hellcat? Oh, that was fun. That was fun. That was absolutely a blast. I enjoyed that. Probably a little too much. Caffeine so that way I can stay awake the rest of the evening, because I am just wiped. I've been awake since somewhat early this morning. The fact of the matter is, I've been awake for quite a few hours straight, and I realized in that time I somehow managed to eat nothing at all. I've eaten not one thing, not even a snack. I don't remember eating even a snack. So I got food that I'm gonna go stuff my face with. That's how these videos seem to be ending. I'm about to stuff my face. I'll see y'all in the next video. But either way, yeah, that's what's about to happen. I'm about to eat myself some nice burgers. Anyway, so that should do it for this video. I'll catch you all in the next one. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, the like button, all that, if you in fact did like what you saw, and you want to stay, in tune with all the next crap that I do. Go ahead and turn on the notifications button as well, and it's that little bell icon, of course. And of course, you can follow me on my Instagram, Fierce Gears, Fierce_Gears on Instagram. It's linked in the description below, as always. And, spread the word about me, and I'll see you all in the passenger seat next ride.